The Invesco DB US Dollar Index Bullish Fund, also known as the ETF UUP, is an exchange-traded fund that aims to track the performance of the US dollar index. The US dollar index, in turn, is a measure of the value of the US dollar relative to a basket of 6 major foreign currencies. The basket includes the euro, Japanese yen, British pound, Canadian dollar, Swedish krona, and Swiss franc. The ETF UUP is designed for investors who want to gain exposure to the US dollar and its movements against these foreign currencies. It is particularly useful for investors who want to hedge against the risk of currency fluctuations or who want to take a tactical position on the direction of the US dollar. One of the main benefits of investing in the ETF UUP is that it offers a simple and convenient way to gain exposure to the US dollar. Rather than having to trade individual currencies or use complex derivatives, investors can simply buy and sell shares in the ETF. This makes it a relatively low-cost and straightforward way to invest in the US dollar. Another advantage of the ETF UUP is that it is highly liquid, with a high level of trading activity on major exchanges. This makes it easy for investors to enter and exit positions in the fund. Additionally, the ETF is transparent, with its holdings and performance regularly disclosed. This allows investors to easily see what the fund is invested in and how it is performing. However, there are also some risks associated with investing in the ETF UUP. For example, the fund is subject to the same risks as the US dollar, including economic and political risks. If the US dollar weakens or faces other challenges, the fund's value could decline. In addition, the ETF UUP may not always closely track the performance of the US dollar index, which could result in a discrepancy between the fund's performance and the performance of the US dollar. Overall, the ETF UUP offers a simple and convenient way for investors to gain exposure to the US dollar and its movements against major foreign currencies. While there are risks involved, the fund's liquidity and transparency can help mitigate some of these risks. As with any investment, it is important for investors to carefully consider their own investment objectives and risk tolerance before deciding whether the ETF UUP is suitable for them.